Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. So this is Teacher Nada, your English teacher in this session. Okay, so the title of our session for today is Describing My Home. So let's learn how can we describe our homes, all right? Yeah, such an interesting topic, I know that. Yes. Okay, so let's just go for the learning outcomes. And simply, these are things you're supposed to know by end of the session. So let me read them for you. By this session, you will be able to, number one, use there is and there are and prepositions of place to describe a home. Two, identify and use 12 new words related to homes. Three, engage in a structured conversation about their home. And engage here means like to be active in a conversation. All right? Okay, good. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity. Here we have two images and they're different, okay, for different houses. So let me ask you, which one looks like your home and why? Think, let me know. Yes, so our friend Sarah, she said that the one on the right side looks like her home. Yeah, because it has a lot of, because she has many rooms. Yes, okay, good. Thank you, Sarah. All right. And now you're going to watch a video for 3 times and then you will answer some questions. But please, before watching, I need you to read the questions, all right? So question 1, where is Omar's garage? 2, does Miriam have a garden? 3, where is Omar's bedroom? 4, what is above Miriam's living room? 5, what do Miriam and Omar think about their homes? Okay, yes. Now please go and watch the video for 3 times again and then get back so you can answer together.
Hi Omar, what does your home look like?
I live in a house with a big garden. There is a garage on the right side of the house.
Wow, my home is different. There is a balcony in my apartment but no garden.
You have an attic?
No, but there is a storage room.
That's nice. Where is your bedroom?
My bedroom is next to the living room.
Mine is above the kitchen.
Our homes are different but special. Hi Omar, what does your home look like?
I live in a house with a big garden. There is a garage on the right side of the house.
Wow, my home is different. There is a balcony in my apartment but no garden.
You have an attic?
No, but there is a storage room.
That's nice. Where is your bedroom?
My bedroom is next to the living room.
Mine is above the kitchen.
Our homes are different but special. Hi Omar, what does your home look like?
I live in a house with a big garden. There is a garage on the right side of the house.
Wow, my home is different. There is a balcony in my apartment but no garden.
You have an attic?
No, but there is a storage room.
That's nice. Where is your bedroom?
My bedroom is next to the living room.
Mine is above the kitchen.
Our homes are different but special.
Okay, great job. So yeah, let's answer. So question 1, where is Omar's garage? Yes, exactly, on the right side of the house. Thank you. Question 2, does Miriam have a garden? Exactly, no she doesn't. Well, question 3, where is Omar's bedroom? Good. Omar's bedroom is above the kitchen. All right. So, question 4, what is above Miriam's living room? Yes, a storage room. Good job. So, question 5, what do Miriam and Omar think about their homes? Exactly. Their homes are different but special. Okay, great job. So, I will see you in the vocab part. Okay, so the first word here is balcony. So please repeat after me. Balcony, balcony, balcony. Good job. Yes. Then we have garden, garden, garden. All right? Yeah, like I love to play in my garden. Okay. Then we have attic, attic, attic. Yes, attic, this is maybe could be a space or a room in the roof, okay, like above the house. Yeah, yeah, attic. Good job. So then we have garage, garage, garage. Yes. Then we have the roof, the roof, roof. Okay, the area above the house or like at the top of the house. Then we have living room, living room, living room. Thank you. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, then we have bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Yeah. After that, we have bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Good job. Then we have hallway. Hallway, this is the area where we walk, you know, among or between the doors and other rooms. It's called hallway. Yeah. Okay, then we have stairs. Yeah, we use them to go up or down. Stairs, stairs. Yes, good job. After that, we have basement, basement, basement. This is the area, you know, below the ground level, below the house. Yeah, basement. Okay, let's just go to the first practice that we have. Simply have to match the sentence with the words, like match them together. So here we have the first one. A small outdoor space on an apartment. Exactly, balcony. Well, 2. A place where cars are parked. Garage, good job. A green space with trees or flowers. What do you think? Exactly, garden. Okay, a space at the top of the house for storage. Like we use it to store things. We call it attic. Thank you. All right, the following one. A room where we relax and watch TV. Yes, it's the living room. Good job. The part of the house we walk through, right, to get to rooms. Hallway. Good job. A place under the house for storage. We call it the, yes, basement. Good job. Well, a room where we sleep. Yes, it's the bedroom. A room where we cook. The kitchen. Good job. Okay, part of the house we walk up and down. Up and down. Yes, stairs. Good job. Okay, the top, okay, covering of the house. We call it, yes, roof. Good job. And the last one, a room where we would take a shower. Of course, yes, the bathroom. Good job. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now see you in the phonics part. So here in the phonics, we have another new sound, which is A. So A actually makes 2 different sounds. One of them is short, the other is longer or long. So the short one is pronounced as or attic, bathroom, balcony. So it's all right? Attic, please repeat. Bathroom, balcony. Good job. Well, while the long one is A, basement, place, space. Yes, good job. Thank you. Okay. Well, in the reading part, we actually have to read this text together, then we'll answer a couple of questions. So let me read them for you. Lena lives in a small house. There is a beautiful garden in front of her house. Her bedroom is next to the kitchen, and there's a big living room. There's an attic above the living room where her family keeps all things. In the backyard, there's a garage for her dad's car. Okay, so question 1. What is in front of Lena's house? Exactly, a beautiful garden. Good job. Question 2. Where is her bedroom? Yes, thank you. Next to the kitchen. Good job. Okay, question 3. What is above the living room? Exactly, an attic where they keep the storage. Good, good. Thank you. So now I'll see you in the grammar part. Okay, yes, welcome to the grammar part. So here we'll learn how to use there is and there are plus prepositions to speak about place. So here is the simple rule. Number one, we use there is plus singular noun, okay, to speak about one thing. For example, there is a balcony in my home. And here I mean only one balcony. Yeah? Question two, Number two, there are plus plural noun. By plural, I mean more than one. Okay? So, for example, there are 3 bedrooms in my home. Okay? Yeah. So, what about the prepositions of place? We have next to, we have above, we have under, we have in front of, we have behind. Again, next to, above, under, in front of, and behind. Okay, good, good. Let's just jump into our second practice. Okay, so yeah, simply all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. So yeah, first one, a balcony in my house. There are, next to. Is it only one balcony? Exactly, that's why we're going to choose there is. Good job. Well, question two, 2 bedrooms in my house. Thank you, there are. Good job. Okay, question 3, the bathroom is the kitchen. Next to, good job. Okay, the garage is the house. Yes, behind the house. Well, the living room is the bedroom. Under the bedroom, good job. There is, a small attic in my home, good job. Question 7, there, stairs in my home. Yes, there are. And yeah, good job. Okay, so in the speaking part, I just need you to draw a simple picture of your home, right? On a paper, okay? Or maybe you can use digital tool. And after drawing or while drawing, you have to describe your home. Of course, using there is and there are, and by the way, prepositions and words that we just learned. For example, you will draw a drawing and you will say, there is a big kitchen next to the living room. Or my bedroom is above the garage. Yeah, like add more description, more details about your house. All right, now let me just ask you, what did you learn today? Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. And this actually marks the end of our session for today. Thank you so much for attending. I hope to see you soon in the next session, and don't forget your homework. Bye.